Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I want to do a little skincare edit, a little pampering video, self-love, self-care video for you guys that are stuck in lockdown. I know it can be tough. I don't necessarily want to wear a full face of makeup today, but I want to feel polished. I want my skin to be glowing and I want to radiate from within. I also need a little pick-me-up and to feel a little bit confident. So let's just get straight into the video. Now I'm going to start off with freshly cleansed skin. Nothing on the skin at the moment. My skin type is a normal/dehydrated, so it's feeling a little bit tight at the moment. My under eyes need a little bit of brightening. I need some glow. But what I desperately need is some hydration and to nourish the skin. So let's start off with the under eyes. I'm going to be using these are the Incredible Party Recharge Under Eye Masks. Oh my gosh, these are the most beautiful under eye masks I have ever seen. A really nice little pamper, but what I love about them is they are super hydrating for my under eyes, and the hydrogel makes them really cooling as well. So they come with little tweezers as well, which is really cute. I'm gonna grab a pair with my tweezers and then I'm gonna pop them on the under eyes whilst I'm waiting. Something that I've been loving doing recently is painting my nails. It just lifts my mood. It just makes me feel good and I find it really therapeutic as well. So I'm going to be using the Nails.Inc. This is the Relationship Status Blushing and Nail Polish Set. How stunning are these pinks? I love this color. I just love pink in general. You might have been able to tell, but I do love pink in general. So I'm going to actually start off with the Nail Kale Base Coat to Cover All Bases by Nails.Inc. Let me just pop this baby on. Now that the base coat is dry, I'm going to go in with these pinks. I've been super inspired by the back. It says get the ombre look, and I love the mix of shades. So I'm going to use every single one and create more of an ombre nail. So let's just go ahead and do that. This is what the nails look like once they are painted. Oh, they really just lift my mood. They make me feel happy. I don't know what it is about painting the nails, and I love this kind of ombre effect with a shade on each nail. I just think they look super pretty. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply the Nails.Inc. This is the 45-second top coat for Speedy Gloss, and it works super quick. We're going to add this as the top coat and then our nails are done. Now that my nails are completely dry, I'm going to remove these under eye masks and then I'm just going to gently tap in the excess serum. Because I want to give my under eyes a little bit of extra love today, I'm going to be using the Incredible Depuffing Under Eye Jade Roller. I'm just going to roll this underneath my eyes as well as on my brow bone as well. Now for my skin, I'm super excited to share this new product with you. This is the Incredible Glow Your Own Way Rose Quartz Face Roller. This is so beautiful. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, so it's going to really nourish your skin. I feel like my skin is super hydrated, but what I love most about it is that dewy glow. It really just picks my skin up. I love to wear this underneath makeup if I am wearing makeup, but I also just love to wear it on days like today where I don't want to wear anything and I just want to wear my natural skin and I still have that beautiful glow. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to take the lid off and I'm going to roll this all over the skin. It's super calming and relaxing, and then you're going to see the excess product come out onto the skin, and I'm just going to massage that in slowly. Now just to finish off this super natural look, I'm going to be using the Incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss. This is so beautiful because it's got beautiful crystals in it, super unique and different. We're just going to roll this onto the lips. And then the last step in my routine is going to be using the Nails.Inc. This is your Get Your Daily Dose Nail Kale Superfood Nail Oil. We've got to show them cuticles a little bit of love. So I'm going to take a capsule and then just apply this to my cuticles and rub that in. And that, guys, is it for my super quick pick-me-up routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this tutorial. I know it was really simple, but there are just a few things that I do to help lift my mood and make me feel confident. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.